Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI or Midjourney to be specific in order to create anime characters, anime scenes and so go on. So, first of all guys, I will need you to grab your devices and open the browser that you have in them. Now, what I need you to go is to the URL and just type open or Midjourney. Sorry, guys, Midjourney. So here we go, Midjourney, and here we go. Now, what I need you to do is click on this sign in button, and let's wait a little bit. Here we go, and just give them the authorization. So authorization. Here we go. Nice. Now I will go to Discord. You can open your Discord application or open it on your browser, so it doesn't matter really. Now let's wait until it opens, and we will gonna join the Midjourney server just like that, and then we're gonna go to any new buys room. So these three new buys room are available. I'm going to go to for this one for example and go all the way down, and here I will write slash imagine prompt, and then I will type next to it, make me an anime character. Not make me, but a guy, tall guy, for example, white hair, red eyes, anime style, with sword in his back, for example. And yeah, let's keep it that way. High quality, 8K. So let's see what it's going to do for us. Here we go. Now it's sending the comment. Let's wait a little bit until it fully sends the comment. So it might take some time. Here we go. It has sent the comment, and now I will just wait until it loads. So as you can see here, it's creating the character, 31%, 31%, which is pretty good. I can see the image. First of all, it will look kind of ugly, but trust me, guys, by the end, it will be looking so much better. It is looking so much better now, actually. So let me go all the way down. All right, here we go. It will be showing up in here. So let's wait. Let's wait a little bit. And here we go. This is actually pretty insane. So this is like a guy with white hair, red eyes, and the sword in his back, as you can see here. Maybe I didn't write the sword in his back really good. I should have mentioned more details because, as you can see now, there is some glitches in the sword. But overall, the character is pretty good. It's looking pretty decent. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.